Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm going to do a fast makeup look. Welcome to Makeup Monday. Okay, let's get started. I'm just going to put on finishing powder. I'm not putting on no liquid foundation. Try to cover up all this stuff. I'm using the Black Radiance Soft Focus Finishing Powder. You can buy it on Amazon or you can buy it from Walmart. I'm sure CVS has it. Walgreens. There's a nice big palette. Okay. Trying to cover up all this stuff. These eyelids. Yes, I do the eyebrows and everything. Okay. The coverage. I've been looking for my bag of silver gray wigs. I got a bunch. Okay. Need some color on my cheeks. Oh, this is what this looks like. Black Radiance Soft Focus Finishing Powder. Costs about $6. I look washed out. Okay, put some color on this face. Sound like somebody is coming here, and I'm on my way out the door. Just want to put on a little something, something. When I ain't got time, I put this on too. This is blush I'm putting on my eyes as an eyeshadow. Because color makes all the difference in the world. Okay, I'm looking better already to myself. Lips. I always put on a lip balm, chapstick. Oh, this is the blush I use. Starry Triple Blush Palette. Okay, lip stain. Using the Ofra lip stain. Try not to get it on my teeth. Try not to go outside the lip line because this will stain my skin. I look better already, y'all. Starting to look like folks, huh? We're gonna see. Oh, just a little over 3 minutes. I'm using another eyeshadow palette for my eyebrows. If it's the color you need, then you can use it anywhere. So, it's the color I need for my eyebrows, so I'm just using what's handy and what will work. Of course, my eyebrows never look the same, so I'm trying to get perfect. Because ain't nobody perfect. You can look at the most beautiful person in the world. Beautiful looking person. Something wrong with that person. It's gonna have to do. This is what I used. The Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeshadow palette. Oh, let me put a little color hope that ain't one of my kids calling me right now, because my daughters can talk a long time. And I got to go to the pharmacy to talk to this pharmacist about some meds that I take. And I got 3 different looking pills in one bottle. I'm glad I looked at them before I took them. When I fill out my 30-day pill thingamajig for the month, I mean, these pills look different. They're supposed to be the same thing. They look different. I'm not taking that. If they change the supplier, they should tell me, so I won't be overdosing. That's not cool. Maybe that's why sometimes I haven't felt well. Didn't know why. I've been okay, and then all of a sudden I don't feel good. Probably overdosing on my meds. I'm taking too much of one thing because I'm thinking it's something else. Because it looks different, I'm putting it in the pill container thing. I used to wonder why my grandmother, she used to pour pills in her hand when she was going to take. And she'd look at them. He's doing what? Why? I said, you take these pills every day. I didn't say that to her. That would have been disrespectful. I was thinking, I mean, she take them every day. I mean, why you got to look at them? Now I understand. You don't know why older people do something? Keep living. You'll find out. Okay, I got an eyelash missing here, but I don't care. It can stay off. This ain't bad. 7 minutes or something. Is that all I need? Okay, I'm gonna put on this kinky curly wig that I like. I'm gonna wear this headband. We had a good time yesterday. Okay, I was so rudely interrupted. Walked back there trying to get my attention. Once again, the pharmacist just called. Pharmacy just called. So they had something up there. I just told him I was getting ready to go up there. He didn't have to disturb me. Okay. I like some of my edges to show, even though they're silver. Okay, am I through? What I need? I think I'm officially as cute as I can get today. Okay. I want to thank y'all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Bye.